So exercise number 10. From blank sketch, make a circle, make another circle, give some dimensions. Here we have the diameter, but we don't need this one. How we change the diameter in radius? We select the dimension and go here on leaders, radius. Okay, radius 656. Okay. Dimension also this one. This is 50. Okay. We need here a line, center line. Line from here. Trim it. Okay. Here we will use this offset. So 656 minus 631. We will reverse the direction. It's okay. Offset as a geometry. Okay. Now we put that. We make that. We close it. We have here a dimension of 600. Okay. This with this color there. Okay. So we have here a dimension of 680. We start by adding the circle, little circles. Dimension it. 24. Okay. New sketch pattern. Select the circle. 180. Make it 9. Okay. We make other circles. We go on linear sketch pattern. We select this circle. We here not need, only on Y. Here we need more 3. Okay. Change the direction. So we have here 250. Increasing, we need 4. Okay. Now we select it. Now we make an axis. Little axis. Okay. Now we will select it. Select the axis. Hit Control and mirror entity. Okay. Features, extrude base, 15. Okay. We go on right pen. 65 and 6. Let's take 65 from here. Features extrude 1312. We put here midpoint. And this is it. So next examples.